Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Your resident Darth Despondos coming at you. Welcome to the Dimension of Despondos channel. Oh man, I am so geeking. Oh, but I had to do this video. Oh, I've been waiting for this day for two years, seems like. Now, unboxing videos are really stupid, but guess what? I don't give a fuck. I'm doing one today just because this will probably be the only unboxing video I do, just because this is for me personally, but also for you. Basically, you're not getting an unboxing video. You are getting a Darth Despondos geeking out over what he got in the mail video. So, without further ado, I am going to show you what I have. Well, from the title, you will probably see. And this blade is as dull as fuck. Ooh. Check that shit out. Bioshock Infinite Super Songbird Edition. Alright, I'm going to try to... I hate these boxes, the way that they work. So I will just do this. Fuck the box. Because this is the only box that matters. Whoo! Check that shit out. Songbird. Alright. Oh. We will open him. Ultimate Songbird Edition. Okay. And there's the game. Alright, PlayStation Move, except I haven't been much of a fan of the PlayStation Move. Maybe just because my living room is so cramped. So I haven't really, I've tried to play, I got the PlayStation Move version of GoldenEye, and that shit's hard. Especially when you only got a little bit of space. I guess I just got to make more space. Well, let's see. You know, I am hard-pressed. I probably am going to leave him in the box. But I think I might take the straps off of him. Just because that way it at least looks like it's not packaged up. I mean, I'll take it out of the box, but I'll put it back in the box. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with them yet. But Songbird, the true patriot has nothing to fear from the Songbird. Or the true patriot has nothing to fear. So are you a duke or a dimwit? Duke hears Billy's daddy spreading nasty lies about Father Comstock and reports it straight away to the police. Dimwit hears his own daddy criticizing his ward president and says, I'm too busy finishing to pass this on. Maybe tomorrow. Remember, boys and girls, don't be a dimwit. Dimwit hides from the night sky with apprehension, but Duke has nothing to fear from the Songbird. Yeah. Good old fear-mongering propaganda. That's why I'm such a huge geek of games of the Bioshock ilk. Friend of the fair and faithful. Alright. Oh yeah, let's see. Think MFG. I'm not sure what that stands for. And then we have our own download your own soundtrack. So I will keep that for later. And I have another Irrational Games and 2K Games present Bioshock Infinite PS3 theme. Upgrade pack exclusive. Start the game with 3 exclusive gear power-ups. So I'll do that. Got some codes to enter. Ooh, don't know what this is. Oh, yeah. Light the way with the Devil's Kiss. Advertisement for either a Nostrum or a Vigor. I'm not sure which is which. Haven't played the game yet. Oops. And a book. Columbia Customs and Excise 1907. An artifact. So it gives some information on the city. Looks really cool. Boy, I can't wait to play this fucking game. Oh god. And Betterman's Auto Buddies, the Handyman. This is a little handyman figurine. I'm guessing it's like some kind of Bioshock Infinite board game. Well, just like what Lewis Black had said that about the political system, and I can probably say the same thing about the internet and YouTube, is that, well, with the political system he was talking about is that the great thing about the American political system is that everybody can run for office. And then he goes on to say, and it also shows, you know, what is so bad about the American political system is that anybody can run for office. And that's exactly, basically, why a lot of unboxings are stupid, because so many people do them. But, yeah, but like I said, you're not getting an unboxing, you're getting a geeking out moment from me. So my little loophole there. And a Murder of Crows keychain. Awesome. And I don't know if that's, I think that might be all. Yep, that's all of it. So without further ado, I will leave my farewells to you, and I'm going to go play this awesome piece of joygasm. Talk to you later. Like and subscribe.